Gareth and Janet here, the Port Monkeys, and we are in Bergen, Norway. And we're going to take a little stroll down the old Hanseatic League buildings, which are those right there, I believe. We just have to work our way. We are not going to cross that way. We're going to use that crosswalk down there. So one of these buildings says 1480 on it. Another says 1910. My understanding is they're hundreds of years old, but maybe they burned down and been rebuilt. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. Let's let a couple of cars pass, and then we'll pass. And actually he's waiting. So we'll just go to the Moomin shop, whatever a Moomin is. Ship is parked a couple blocks over that way. Actually, I've now walked 1.5 miles. So this is about 1 mile from the ship. Now we have a big crowd of people. Oh, it's some sort of tour. See the tour guide? He's like a giant in the middle. A troll. So I guess there's stuff up in there. Fixing the buildings. Oh, making them out of wood again. I did it there. To Coker. Looks like a ship, an old ship inside. Baba stew. So, shops, restaurants. Yeah, these places look pretty old. I noticed they're leaning. Sorry to use my hand like that, but that is really leaning. And the other one is like ripply.
Creek Street.
Museum. Hanseatic Museum. So there was several of these openings with more stores up inside. I guess this is for a restaurant.
Yeah.
Perhaps. A fur hat? Sweating with this hat. Long may it wave. And now we're in Bergen. See? Instead of Bergen, Bergen. It smells cinnamon rolls, I think. Clarion Collection of Choice Hotels. So that tall, old-looking building is actually a hotel. Very uneven sidewalk. Of course, it's cobblestone. It's also slanted and, you know, very uneven. They have underground parking. Of course, later we're going to go up Mount Floyen there. Sweaters and souvenirs. So from Bergen, it's Gareth and Janet. See you in the next port. Bye.